Welcome to ASP NET SQL Academy. In this video, you will learn how to use ScriptManager, the core of AJAX functionality in ASP.NET Web Forms. ScriptManager is the core control that enables ASP.NET AJAX features. It handles client-side script libraries, partial rendering, and even web service access. Without a ScriptManager, your update panels will not work. It initializes the Microsoft AJAX library and keeps client-server communication seamless. To use ScriptManager, just drop this control anywhere on your web form, usually near the top. Make sure it has the Run at Server attribute. Here is the classic use. ScriptManager enables partial rendering for update panel. Without it, update panel will not function. To call server-side methods directly from JavaScript, enable page methods in ScriptManager. It bridges client JS with the server-side logic. ScriptManager can also register ASP.NET Web Services for AJAX calls. Just add the service path like this, and it will generate client-side proxies. Let us walk through a quick example. This form uses ScriptManager and Update panel to greet users without full page reloads. You can use ScriptManager to dynamically register JavaScript on the client side, useful for alerts, UI tweaks, or callbacks after AJAX. Troubleshooting tips. Remember, ScriptManager is mandatory for AJAX features. You should only use one ScriptManager per page. For clean architecture, use ScriptManager wisely. In master pages, go for ScriptManager proxy to avoid duplication. To summarize, if you are using any kind of AJAX in web forms, ScriptManager is your entry point. It is simple, powerful, and essential. Up next, we will explore how to add triggers to update panels and use ScriptManager with the AJAX control toolkit and web methods. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment below if you need the source code or have any questions.